Welcome to Boundary Street in Halliwell. Nice quiet road, as we can see, tree lined. This property is on the market and it's 2-bedroomed, pavement fronted mid-terrace property. Let's go in and take a look and see what we have on offer. Welcome into Boundary Street. I have a 2-bedroom mid-terrace here to show you. We step through the front door into the lounge. It's a decent size. Got space for storage under the stairs there. Obviously you can see plenty of space to put the television on the wall, and a double glazed window there to the front. From the lounge we enter into the kitchen dining room. So we have a range of fitted wall and base units with extractor fan, electric hob and oven, space for the fridge freezer and the washing machine, with a stainless steel sink there, 1.5 stainless steel sink, and a double glazed window and door which leads to the rear yard. Okay, let's take a look upstairs. So as we go upstairs to the first floor landing, we've got 2 bedrooms. So the first bedroom is here on the left. It's a double room. Decent size, as you can see by the size of the bed, and there's a bit of a dog leg over there to the left hand side with a double glazed window which looks out to the front. Plenty of room in here, laminate flooring as we can see. Out of the bedroom and we turn left into the second room. So we've got space for a bed. As you can see, there's a child's bed and a cot in here, but easily space for a single bed. And there's also some wardrobe space there as well, with a nice view out to the rear over there. And the bathroom is a 3-piece suite. So we have the WC pencil sink and the panelled bath, the extractor fan, which you can probably hear, and we've got the shower over the bath there as well. Okay, let's take a look outside. Here we are outside the rear of Boundary Street. As you can see, it's a low maintenance flagged rear yard with gate to the rear just here. As you can see, next door has extended, and also both next doors actually have extended, so there is potential there for somebody to do the same to this property. For further information and indeed to arrange a viewing, please contact ourselves at Cardwell's Estate Agents in Bolton on 01204 381 281.